Hi, my friend, Rhonda Kay here. I trust that you're having an excellent day. And I want to bring you up to speed on some things that are happening within this channel. Everything is pretty much the same, except for I am adding one focus. I think that will also just dwell down a little bit deeper on why you want to make extra money while you're working full time. You know, a lot of people may say, oh, it's obvious, but it may not be obvious, okay? And so this channel is still about referral programs, how you can make money with referral programs while you're working full time. Have my notes. The majority of these programs are low cost, or what some people would say in this industry, low ticket. So the majority of them are well under $100 because that's what you would need to pay to start. So our lowest one, we have the cashback one. You start with 40 and you get 20. There's another one, you spend 30, you get 30. There's another one where you spend 60 and you earn 50 over and over. So they're all the majority under $100. So there's that. These programs are easy to understand. And the reason why is you're working full time. So you don't want to put anything that's complicated out in the marketplace because you're not technically looking for a new career. You're looking for a part-time way to make extra money. So you don't want anything complicated because you don't want people vying for your time. Hey, how do I do this? Where do I go do this? You know, and you don't want your emails to be inundated with difficult things. So these make money referral programs are easy to understand. And the number one reason or the focus now is, one of the focuses is the majority of people I have found who work full time and who want to make extra money is because you want to pay off debt. So you're going to hear pay off debt. I want to encourage you to pay off debt. Okay, particularly you've been working full time and you're getting closer and closer to retirement age. You don't really want to have any debt. Okay, you don't want to really have any debt now or even in retirement. Okay, so that's just a slight focus. You're going to hear a little bit about debt and some of the information I have learned about how to pay off debt pretty fast. And then if paying off debt is not the reason why you want to make extra money, these make money referral programs can help you solve whatever that monetary reason is that you need to make extra money. Yes and yes. And the last thing is, as you are working these side hustles or making extra money, you're going to be learning digital marketing skills. Yes. And that can take you into another income stream. Since your goal is to make extra money, that will take you into another income stream, because guess what that will do? That can put you in a position to freelance, be a freelancer for other people. And it also will put you in a position that when you get used to doing this, you may decide that you want to build a business around your passion, around your hobby. And these skills, minor skills that you're learning through these make money referral programs that I'm telling you about, you can be a freelancer. So you're learning digital marketing skills. So that's the only update that I have right now. And I'm very excited. So check out the information that I'm providing. And I trust that I hear from you via my email. Yes, many blessings.